line by line, preserved within the grand design. Through fathers' tents and mothers' care, the tribe endured by sovereign care. O Lord, who orders every name, no life is lost, no threat the same. Through hidden years and silent span, you write the story of your plan. In Gibeon dwelt a father known, Giel beside his guarded home. Kish was born, and after he came Saul in royal dignity. Jonathan in courage shown, and sons who bore the house alone. Through triumphs height and sorrows fall, your purpose moved beyond them all. From Benjamin the king was raised, by prophets word and people praised. Yet crown and spear could not secure a throne unless the heart was pure. The clans were numbered, strong and wide, with mighty men at Gibeah's side. Their dwelling places filled the land, according to your guiding hand. From ancient root to royal tree, the line was shaped in mystery, not chance,